For any business, one of the most crucial document is the financial plan. It gives you an idea of how the financial health of your business looks like, by when you can have your break even, how the financial roadmap looks for next few years. So in today's video, I will try to oversimplify the financial plan for you, and I will show you how you can make your own financial plan. So do watch the video till the end, don't miss any of the part. And in case you're new to my channel, please go ahead and press the like button, as well as do subscribe, as I keep bringing such informative videos in front of you. So without wasting time, let's go. Okay friends, so this is the financial plan summary sheet, and this gives you an overview of whether your business looks healthy or not. Now for any business, there are two important factors. One is to give value to the customer, and second is to have a sustainable profit. Now through this financial summary sheet, you will get to know whether you are heading in the right direction or not. If you're starting your business or you're already into your business, you can just go plug and play and see what is the outcome. And do comment and let me know. In case you have any question or you're seeking any help, you can go and find the link in the description to reach me out. In this financial summary, basically it shows the investment cost, what is required. Now what you get here is not the cost what you will be putting all at once. It's spread over many months, and it's in phases, but you get an overall idea of how much money you will require for your business to sustain. There will be owner's annual salary or dividend that also gets captured here, and then the year 1 and year 2 profit or loss. Once you understand how this has been made, you can go and make year 3, year 4, year 5 projection also very easily. So do watch the video till the end. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible so that it's fun when you're making this financial plan for your business. So what I'm going to do is I'll go in reverse order, and I will tackle the manpower salary band first. Now when you're having a business and you have a requirement to onboard manpower, you really want to know how much that will cost. There are many ways through which you can find today's internet age. Every information is accessible, at least the indicative, so you can go and find that. Whether you have 5 resource, 100 resource, 200 resource, what I usually do is I make it into level. So say there are 5 level based on the experience, productivity, and those factors. There will be the hourly rate, and these hourly rate you can just go and change whatever it is. And once you change here, you see all this changes automatically. So only this is the place which requires change. Okay, so don't touch these cells C to F, don't touch. Okay, and you see here this shows the per hour rate, and based on the per hour rate, if they are working for 1 day, this is going to be the cost. For a month, you will pay them the salary this much, and then per year this will be the cost to you. And overall, the real cost I have kept 25% to 40%. Why? Because there are considerations like turnover, training, absence, whether they are on contract or full-time, contributions, compensation, insurance, office space, maintenance, and others. So you can just go and add any of the considerations you have in addition, and this becomes your plan. So this I hope is again clear to you. Now coming to the expense on resource. So the resource which will be working on your business, their per hourly rate gets entered here. This is a manual entry, and how much hours they will work in a week. Not everyone say in a business is working full time, so you plug in those details, per week detail, and then you get your monthly expense and yearly expense populated. If you change the per hour rate here, say if you make it 100 instead of 35, you see this changes. So it's as simple as, once these details are keyed in, you get the total payroll cost here, and this will go into the summary part of it, which we will go one by one. And this shows yearly expense. This is on the manpower. Now coming to the monthly expense. Okay, now there are things like marketing, supplies, legal, accounting, if you are consulting or taking mentorship and you're paying money, payroll, rent. So this entire thing again has an expense, and those expenses have been manually entered. Okay, so once the entries are made, you get to see the monthly expense. So this is going to be your monthly expenses. And now comes the expense for starting. As I said, on the day one when you're starting business, you will have to put this expense in order for your business to start. It could be rent, lease, legal setup, marketing, insurance, salaries. You just go and key in the details. Say I have an office space or a space for which I pay $2,000 per month. Once I input this value changes. Okay, so this is my starting. On day one, I need to have this money to start my business. I hope this is also clear. Now we will come to initial setup. Basically, it's all consolidated from whatever entries we had made so far. Starting expenses 8,200, where it is coming from here. You see here, whatever entry comes here, that gets populated automatically here. Now monthly expenses comes from here, this sheet, whatever the total is. On that I have factored 3 months of cash flow. So once I know that okay, I will have to have this much money as the investment cost, whether it is on the day one or during the course of business, this much money I will have to have. So this gives me an idea. Now coming to the revenue projection. Revenue projection comes from the product what will be sold. Say you have 10 category of product, not all categories of product will be sold equally every month. So what are you anticipating? What is the number of unit you want to sell? Once you enter that, say you enter 6 unit here, okay, and you make an entry, you see these figures changes. Don't touch this sheet. These all have formulas and it will give you the overall yearly projection. This 224,667 is reflecting here. Okay, so this shows you the year 1 projection. Year 2 is down. I will show that also. So whatever changes you make, you can make it here. So number of product you intend to sell each month, and what is the per unit cost, and what are you considering as a percentage sales growth. Not all product will have similar sales growth trajectory, and that has been broken down into month so that you have some baseline to check the volume. In case you were intending to sell 6 and you have achieved only target of say 4, you know you're lagging behind and what you need to improve to reach the target. That way you're closer to your goal in terms of the business profitability. So once you make changes here, you get to see those reflecting overall here. Okay, so this is the year 1. Year 2, again this 10 product, what is the percentage growth you are looking for in the year 2? You just need to enter that and it will populate this entire detail, and that's how you get the year 1 and year 2 projection. So I hope so far it is clear. Let's go to the next, income statement. Now income statement is a consolidation of things, that is the product what is listed here. Okay, so this product is getting populated here automatically. You need not do anything, and it shows the total revenue. So in month 1, if you're selling all the product what is listed, this is going to be your revenue. And in the expenses are getting picked from this part. So let me go back, and it shows the revenue, okay, the total revenue and the total expense. When you minus this, you get the net income. Okay, so based on this, the year 2 also shows you the net income, which is before tax. Now coming to the summary sheet which we had started with, again whatever input we had seen so far, that is auto populating here, and it gives you an overview of how the business looks.
Okay friends, you saw how simple it was to make financial plan. I hope you found today's video informative. Do comment, do like and share, because good things are to be shared. Thanks for watching Canada Tried and Tested.